How to set up backtap on your iPhone 16 or 16 series. Open up setting, and under setting you can see the accessibility, and from here simply go to touch and scroll all the way down. Then you can see the backtap option. Just press on backtap, then you can see the double tap and triple tap. And for example, and to select double tap, and I want to select screenshot. Now go back and triple tap and to set camera or anything you can choose. Now if you double tap your mobile, then you can see triple tap open camera and double tap take a screenshot. So this is how you can easily add double tap or triple tap on your iPhone. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.